Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create and remove user accounts on MSI Thin A15. So the first thing we need to do is go to the settings, then accounts, and now find other users. Then you can add an account, and first it'll show you the Microsoft account pop-up. So if that person is near you, you can hand your laptop over to them and they can log in with the Microsoft account. But if that person either doesn't have a Microsoft account or isn't near you, you can just click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, and you can either create an account now or click on add a user without a Microsoft account, which I personally recommend because they can add their account later in settings if they need to, and they for sure will be prompted about it anyway. So I'm just gonna create a username for the local account, and now we can create a password. I really recommend doing that to make everything secure. Then you need to re-enter it to confirm. And then there are 3 security questions which need to be filled in order to create the password. Then just click on next, and here if you click on this arrow you'll be able to either change the account type to administrator, but only do that if you really trust that person, and I don't really recommend having more than one administrator on a PC unless you have a reason for it. So I'm gonna leave it on standard user, and if you want to remove that account later, this is where to do it with this remove button. And now let's relog into that account. I'm gonna show you 2 options. The first one is gonna be once you're logged into that account, and the second one is gonna be from the lock screen. So once you're logged into one of the accounts, click on the start button, then click on the account name, 3 dots here in this pop-up, and click on the other account. Now you just need to enter its password. And the first login will take a bit longer because it has to do some things which I don't really know what are these things, but it just does it. Then it asks you for a few weird things that you can just turn off or on based on your preference, so I recommend reading that yourself. Then I'm gonna turn everything off and click on accept. And now we are logged in, as you can see. So this is that other account, and now to re-log in again, but this time from the lock screen, I'm gonna lock the screen by clicking on Windows and L on my keyboard at the same time. Then on the lock screen I can just select the account I want to log into, and that's basically it. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.